Right, let's start with CPU. We've got i3-13100, okay, last gen i3, not super powerful but not weak. Ooh, GTX 670, that is a very, very old graphics card. I've got a DDR5 6000, 32 gigs, so pretty strong RAM, but won't be playing Warzone at super high FPS anytime soon.
So you've got the GeForce RTX 4090 and Intel Core i7-14700K, fantastic pairing. We've got the Corsair Vengeance GDR5 at 5200 meg transfer per second, 48 gig sticks, so yeah, it's a bit of a beast of a system.
No GPU. Okay, this is my first build all over again. AMD Ryzen Threadripper 7970X, Crucial Pro 48 gigs, 2x24 DDR5.
Did you get no GPU?
I got no GPU.